So the main problem here is you have the dates nicely, and if you click in there, you can see they're even registering as dates. It says 2020 there. The problem here is with the BPM. We want to get all those off so we just have the numbers. That's why all of this stuff is coming up as errors. So if I click on B, and then we go to split text to columns inside the data, and separator is just going to be that space. That'll pull off all the BPMs, and you can see that these now become fine. It's also okay. So here we need a specific number instead of a range. So let's just take the number halfway between 60 and 75. Let's just take 67.5, and we'll do that for here too. And now you can see that we get values on everything. We can also make a chart if I clicked and dragged, so I include both of those, hit insert chart. We could do this. It's kind of up to you. A line graph would make a lot of sense since you are doing dates here. You could also, let's take a look here. Because you're not doing it every day, you might want to do a scatter plot like that. That would work. Could even do a bar graph. So the disadvantage of a bar graph is there's the same distance in between September 10th and September 11th as there is between September 17th and 20th. So it doesn't really show where the dates are located. It's not making use of the dates like the scatter plot. You can see more of a gap between these 2 points versus these two are right next to each other. So I would do either a scatter or a line graph there. But now that you have the BPM, and you could just so probably what I would do is I would say heart rate, and then in parentheses BPM, and then this we could just hit delete and clear out. That's what I would do.